Best tennis rackets. Are you looking for them? In this video we will look at some of the on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Yonex EZONE 100L. Yonex EZONE 100L 285G 2022 tennis racket, precision, power, and comfort for every player. Elevate your game with the Yonex EZONE 100L 285G 2022 tennis racket, designed for players who demand a perfect balance of power, control, and maneuverability. Crafted with advanced graphite construction, this racket delivers lightweight performance without compromising strength, making it ideal for players of all skill levels, from beginners to seasoned competitors. Weighing just 285 grams, the EZONE 100L allows for faster swings and effortless handling, giving you the edge on quick volleys, ground strokes, and serves. Its 100 square inch head size provides a generous sweet spot, enhancing your accuracy while minimizing off-center mishits. Whether you're playing singles or doubles, this racket's balanced design ensures comfort and stability on every shot. The 4 1/8 grip size offers a secure, comfortable hold, reducing strain during long matches and intense practice sessions. Yonex's commitment to quality is evident in the graphite frame and shaft, which combine durability with responsive performance, ensuring each stroke translates your energy efficiently into the ball. Ideal for adult players of all ages, the Yonex EZONE 100L adapts seamlessly to different playing styles, offering power for aggressive shots and precision for tactical play. Its modern design is as stylish as it is functional, reflecting the high standards Yonex sets for performance rackets. Whether you're hitting the court for training or tournament play, the Yonex EZONE 100L 285G 2022 tennis racket is engineered to enhance your game, giving you confidence, control, and an exhilarating tennis experience with every swing. Number 2. Babolat Pure Drive 110T. Babolat Pure Drive 110 tennis racket, 10th gen. Power, precision, and playability. Experience unmatched performance with the Babolat Pure Drive 110 tennis racket, 10th gen. A racket designed to enhance every aspect of your game. Ideal for players seeking a balance of power, control, and comfort, this high-performance racket is perfect for intermediate to advanced players who want to dominate the court. Featuring a 110 square inch head size, the Pure Drive 110 delivers a large sweet spot for consistent, powerful strokes, making it easier to hit deep, precise shots. The racket comes strung with 16G Babolat Sin gut at mid-range tension, providing optimal response, excellent feel, and improved ball control. This stringing combination ensures that each shot is launched with precision while maintaining comfort on longer rallies. The 4 1/8 inches grip offers a secure and comfortable hold, allowing you to maintain control even during intense matches. Its lightweight yet durable construction enables quick swings, faster reaction times, and effortless handling, making it ideal for aggressive baseline play and dynamic net approaches. Designed for performance and style, the 10th generation Pure Drive combines Babolat's latest technology to maximize spin, power, and comfort. Its sleek design and modern aesthetics reflect the quality and innovation Babolat is known for worldwide. Whether you're training, competing, or enjoying a casual match, the Babolat Pure Drive 110 tennis racket delivers consistent performance and confidence on every shot. Elevate your game with a racket that balances power, precision, and comfort, ensuring every swing counts. Number 3. Babolat Pure Aero Rafa 2nd Gen Tennis Racket. Babolat Pure Aero Rafa 2nd Gen Tennis Racket, spin, power, and precision for advanced players. Take your game to the next level with the Babolat Pure Aero Rafa 2nd Gen Tennis Racket, engineered for advanced players who demand maximum spin, power, and control. Inspired by Rafael Nadal's legendary style of play, this racket combines innovative design with high-quality materials to deliver unmatched performance on every shot. Constructed with premium graphite in both the frame and shaft, the Pure Aero Rafa 2nd Gen is lightweight yet incredibly strong, offering exceptional durability and responsiveness. Weighing just 289 grams, this racket provides effortless handling, quick maneuverability, and faster swing speeds, allowing you to generate heavy topspin and dominate from the baseline. Its 4 3/8 inches grip ensures a secure and comfortable hold, reducing fatigue during long matches and giving you complete control over every stroke. The racket's aerodynamic frame design enhances racket head speed, helping you generate explosive power without sacrificing precision. With advanced string pattern optimization, each shot delivers consistent bounce, accuracy, and spin, perfect for players who rely on tactical play and aggressive shots. Ideal for adult advanced players, the Babolat Pure Aero Rafa 2nd Gen is crafted to handle intense rallies and high-speed gameplay while providing excellent feel and control. Whether competing in tournaments or practicing at the club, this racket helps elevate your performance and confidence on the court. Step into the shoes of a champion with the Babolat Pure Aero Rafa 2nd Gen tennis racket, a racket designed to maximize spin, power, and precision for players who strive to play at their absolute best. Number 4. Wilson Blade 98. Wilson Blade 98, 16x19, V9 Unstrung Performance Tennis Racket, precision, control, and power for advanced players. Elevate your game with the Wilson Blade 98, 16x19, V9 Unstrung Tennis Racket, crafted for advanced players seeking the perfect combination of control, power, and feel. Engineered with precision, this high-performance racket allows you to dominate the court with confidence, whether you're executing aggressive baseline shots or precise volleys at the net. Constructed from braided graphite and basalt, both in the frame and shaft, the Blade 98 V9 offers a strong yet responsive feel, maximizing stability and energy transfer with every stroke. Weighing 305 grams, this racket delivers excellent maneuverability and balance, enabling quick reaction times while maintaining solid power behind each shot. Its 16x19 string pattern provides optimal spin potential and control, helping you create heavy topspin and execute precise shot placement. The 4 3/8 inches grip size ensures a secure, comfortable hold for adult players, reducing fatigue during long matches and providing superior control over each swing. Designed for advanced-level athletes, the Blade 98 V9 accommodates aggressive play styles while maintaining responsiveness for tactical shot-making. Unstrung for customizable stringing preferences, this racket allows players to tailor tension and string type to match their playing style perfectly. Whether preparing for competitive tournaments or refining technique on the practice court, the Wilson Blade 98, 16x19, V9 provides unmatched performance, durability, and precision. Step up your game with the Wilson Blade 98, 16x19, V9 tennis racket, a powerful, responsive, and versatile choice for advanced players who demand control, spin, and consistency in every swing. Number 5. Head 2022 Speed. Head 2022 Speed MP Tennis Racket, power, control, and versatility for all players. Upgrade your game with the Head 2022 Speed MP Tennis Racket, a versatile racket designed for players of all skill levels who want a perfect balance of power, control, and comfort. Whether you are a beginner, intermediate, or advanced player, this racket helps you hit precise shots, generate consistent power, and improve your overall performance on the court. Constructed with graphite 360+ technology in both the frame and shaft, this racket delivers excellent stability and enhanced energy transfer, ensuring that every stroke is responsive and powerful. The lightweight design, weighing just 11.1 ounces, allows for effortless maneuverability, faster swing speeds, and improved reaction time during fast-paced rallies. With a 4.5-inch grip size, the Speed MP provides a secure and comfortable hold, reducing fatigue during long matches while giving you full control over every shot. The racket's classic white color adds a touch of elegance to your game, while its durable plastic and graphite construction ensures longevity and reliable performance, even under intensive play. Ideal for adult players, the Head 2022 Speed MP adapts to various playing styles, from aggressive baseline strokes to tactical net play. Its optimized frame design promotes precision, stability, and confidence, helping you perform at your best in practice sessions and competitive matches alike. Whether you're refining your technique, competing in tournaments, or enjoying recreational play, the Head 2022 Speed MP tennis racket provides the perfect blend of power, control, and comfort, making it an essential tool for every tennis enthusiast seeking consistent performance and reliability on the court.